you guys, welcome back to part 2 to the Wise Woman Way. I just want to show you our cranberries as it's really starting to boil and bust open now. And let me give it just a little more time. Don't want to move them around too much. Give it a little more time so we can get a few more of the cranberries to burst open. This is what it looked like, and all the suds you see is basically from the sugar, but the aroma smells so good with the orange flavoring in it. And remember, we're making orange cranberry sauce, and we're going to show you, this is so easy because to start off with the traditional cranberry sauce, and we just add the orange flavor and some little orange in to make it our orange cranberry sauce. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this here and we're going to put it into the back aisle there, which is a lower fire, and then we'll come back and just show you how it comes out after we let it settle. Okay, you guys, be wise, be well, always in any situation to think higher. If you like what we do, please press like and please subscribe and support us by sharing our video. And this is for the holiday season, Thanksgiving. We thank you. May God smile upon you. Stay tuned to part 3, the finished product.